Hello, and welcome to English with Olivia. I'm Olivia. This is your space to listen, repeat, shadow, and grow your English at a slow, natural pace. I will speak clearly and give you time to repeat so you can practice your speaking and build your confidence step by step. Today, we are going to practice 50 daily routine English sentences together. These are sentences you can use every single day to talk about your morning, your afternoon, your evening, and your night. When someone asks you, "How was your day?" or "What do you usually do?" you will have clear, simple answers ready. By the end of this episode, you will feel more confident talking about your day in English. You do not need to be perfect, you just need to practice with me. Do you sometimes feel nervous when you want to describe your day? That is completely normal. But here's the good news. When you practice the same sentences slowly, again and again, they become easy and natural. Today, we will practice together. I will say a sentence, you will repeat it, and by the end, these sentences will feel comfortable and natural. Learning English does not need to be stressful. Listening and repeating is one of the best ways to improve your speaking. When you shadow my voice, you are training your mouth, your ears, and your brain at the same time. So today, relax, listen carefully, repeat after me. Let me give you a few simple warm-up sentences. Listen first, then repeat. I want to speak English more confidently. Now you repeat. I want to speak English more confidently. I practice English a little bit every day. Repeat after me. I practice English a little bit every day. I am learning step by step. Say it with me. I am learning step by step. Good job. Now let us practice daily routine sentences. We will start with the morning. The morning is when your day begins. You wake up, you get ready, you ate breakfast, and you start your day. Let me share some sentences about the morning. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Now you repeat. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get out of bed slowly. Repeat after me. I get out of bed slowly. I go to the bathroom and I wash my face. Say it with me. I go to the bathroom and I wash my face. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Now you repeat. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I take a shower every morning. Repeat after me. I take a shower every morning. I get dressed and I choose comfortable clothes. Say it with me. I get dressed and I choose comfortable clothes. I make my bed before I leave the room. Now you repeat. I make my bed before I leave the room. Good. Now let me talk about breakfast and getting ready to go out. I go to the kitchen and I make breakfast. Repeat after me. I go to the kitchen and I make breakfast. I usually have toast and coffee. Now you repeat. I usually have toast and coffee. Sometimes I eat fruit or yogurt. Say it with me. Sometimes I eat fruit or yogurt. I drink a glass of water in the morning. Repeat after me. I drink a glass of water in the morning. After breakfast, I check my phone. Now you repeat. After breakfast, I check my phone. I pack my bag and I put my keys inside. Repeat after me. I pack my bag and I put my keys inside. I put on my shoes and I leave the house. Say it with me. I put on my shoes and I leave the house. Very good. These are sentences you can use every single day. Now let me tell you a short story. Today I woke up a little bit late. Now you repeat. Today I woke up a little bit late. I got up quickly and I felt stressed. Say it with me. I got up quickly and I felt stressed. But I took a deep breath and I made a simple breakfast. Repeat after me. I took a deep breath and I made a simple breakfast. Even when the morning is not perfect, you can still have a good day. Now let us move to the afternoon. The afternoon is the middle of your day. You might be at work, at school, at home, or outside. I have lunch around 12 or 1 o'clock. Now you repeat. I have lunch around 12 or 1 o'clock. I usually eat a sandwich or a salad. Repeat after me. I usually eat a sandwich or a salad. After lunch, I feel a little bit tired. Say it with me. After lunch, I feel a little bit tired. In the afternoon, I work on my computer. Now you repeat. In the afternoon, I work on my computer. I take a short break and I walk around. Repeat after me. I take a short break and I walk around. I drink water and I rest my eyes. Say it with me. I drink water and I rest my eyes. If I have free time, I read a book. Now you repeat. If I have free time, I read a book. Sometimes I listen to music or a podcast. Repeat after me. Sometimes I listen to music or a podcast. Excellent! Now let us talk about the evening. The evening is when your day starts to slow down. You finish your work, you come home, you relax. I come home in the evening. Now you repeat. I come home in the evening. I take off my shoes and I feel relaxed. Repeat after me. I take off my shoes and I feel relaxed. I change into comfortable clothes. Say it with me. I change into comfortable clothes. I prepare dinner or I order food. Now you repeat. I prepare dinner or I order food. I cook something simple and healthy. Repeat after me. I cook something simple and healthy. I eat dinner with my family. Say it with me. I eat dinner with my family. After dinner, I wash the dishes. Now you repeat. After dinner, I wash the dishes. Then I watch TV or I read. Repeat after me. Then I watch TV or I read. Sometimes I call a friend. Say it with me. Sometimes I call a friend. Very good. Now let me share another small story. Yesterday evening, I felt very tired. Repeat after me. Yesterday evening, I felt very tired. I made a simple dinner, just pasta and vegetables. Say it with me. Just pasta and vegetables. After dinner, I watched a calm movie, and I felt happy. Now you repeat. I watched a calm movie and I felt happy. Now let us talk about the night and going to bed. This is the last part of your day. In the evening, I start to feel sleepy. Now you repeat. In the evening, I start to feel sleepy. I turn off the TV and I close my computer. Repeat after me. I turn off the TV and I close my computer. I go to the bathroom and I brush my teeth again. Say it with me. I go to the bathroom and I brush my teeth again. I wash my face and I put on my pajamas. Now you repeat. I wash my face and I put on my pajamas. I get into bed and I feel comfortable. Repeat after me. I get into bed and I feel comfortable. I read a few pages of a book. Say it with me. I read a few pages of a book. I turn off the light and I close my eyes. Now you repeat. I turn off the light and I close my eyes. I fall asleep and I rest. Repeat after me. I fall asleep and I rest. Beautiful. Now, let me show you a short conversation between two people. This is Emma and Alex. Emma says, "What time do you usually wake up?" Alex says, "I wake up at 6:30. What about you?" Emma says, "I wake up at 7. I am not a morning person." Alex says, "Me neither. I drink coffee immediately." Emma says, "What do you do after work?" Alex says, "I go home and I cook dinner. Then I relax." Let me explain a few things. When Emma asks, "What time do you usually wake up?" she is asking about his routine. The word usually means most days. Repeat after me. What time do you usually wake up? When Alex says, "I am not a morning person," this means he does not feel energetic in the morning. Many people say this. Now you repeat. I am not a morning person. Good. Now I want to talk to you about shadowing. Shadowing is when you listen to English and you repeat it like an echo. Shadowing is one of the best ways to improve your speaking. I listen to English every day. Now you repeat. I listen to English every day. Shadowing helps me speak more clearly. Repeat after me. Shadowing helps me speak more clearly. I am improving little by little. Say it with me. I am improving little by little. Practice is more important than perfection. Now you repeat. Practice is more important than perfection. Excellent. Now it is your turn to speak. I will start some sentences and you will finish them. In the morning, I usually... You finish the sentence. Very good. After breakfast, I... You finish the sentence. Nice. For dinner, I usually eat... You finish the sentence. Good job. Before I go to bed, I... You finish the sentence. Excellent. These are your sentences. Your routine is different from my routine, and that is okay. Let me remind you of something important. It is okay if you make mistakes. You are already doing something important by listening and repeating. Small daily practice creates big change over time. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Now repeat these sentences with me. I am building my English step by step. Now you repeat. I am building my English step by step. I feel a little more confident today. Repeat after me. I feel a little more confident today. I will keep practicing every day. Say it with me. I will keep practicing every day. Beautiful. You should feel proud. You listened to this whole episode. You repeated many sentences. That is real progress. So what did we do today? We practiced 50 daily routine sentences together. We talked about the morning, the afternoon, the evening, and the night. You repeated sentences about waking up, eating breakfast, working, cooking dinner, and going to bed. These are sentences you can use every single day. Listen to this episode again tomorrow or next week. Each time you listen, the sentences will feel easier. Try to use one or two of these sentences in your real life this week. The more you use them, the more confident you will feel. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to English with Olivia. I make lessons like this to help you practice real-life English in a calm and slow way. Come back soon for more practice. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and remember, you are doing great. See you in the next lesson.